Uncle Laurie here, back with another shave. Today is Wednesday, a lovely sunny Wednesday today. So summer's back after a bit of a cold stretch. Even had to put the heater on for a couple of days. Anyway, it's Wednesday, so we do our Aussie Wednesday shave. And the soap we're going with today comes from WashPool up in Queensland. Which is, they've been around for quite a while. I don't remember, 2009 or something like that. And this particular one is the puck version of their soap. Comes in a little 80-gram puck. You can also get their soap in 180-gram soft soap jar. That's costs about $18, and this one costs $8.50. That's Australian dollars. So very economical. So that's the soap. The brush we're going with comes from Fuko. It's a lovely emerald fireworks brush, we call it. It's got a Banksia flower in the centre, running down the centre of it, encased in resin. Beautiful. And in that I've got a 26mm Simbag knot from AP Shave, set to 55mm. So I'll just put that in my mug to get wet. The razor we're going with comes from DS Cosmetic. It's their, what do they call it, the 71SE, which is a Zamak version or clone of the Mamba70 head. You can see by the head it looks very familiar, if you're familiar with the RazoRock Mamba. Now the handle I got with that is the Yaki nickel plated Quo handle, 85mm. And we're going to use a Sunny blade again. A Sunny Supreme Stainless. First use blade. That's it. We're going to use about 1.5 grams of soap. But we're also going to add a little bit of Proraso to make a SuperLather. And because it's unscented, we're also going to add some drops of the Australian bush scent, which smells exactly like it says. Smells like walking through a flowering Australian bush with the gum tree flowers. So it's sort of a floral green scent. Alright, we'll go over there and make the lather. there, back from making that beautiful lather. Look at that. Ooh, beautiful. Right, as you can see, always got the pre-shave on already. Just re-wet it. Now the pre-shave's just got a light mint scent to it, so it won't interfere with my Australian bush scent. Ah, lovely. Green floral scent. It's lovely. Oh, lovely scent. Very Australian, that one. Well, I haven't put the blade in the razor yet, so I'll just get the blade in there. Get a sunny blade out. Yeah, just a wax paper, single wax paper. Some very small glue spots. Wax spots, whatever you want to call them. As you can see, the blade looks pretty well aligned. Not bad for a Zamak head. I'll pick this Zamak head up. From AliExpress for $10, $12, something like that. That's Australian dollars, so it was pretty cheap. That was delivered to my door. It's very mild. Just finding the angle a bit there. Beautiful. Lovely first pass. I don't think I have the angle right yet. Oh, it's a lovely scent. It's well hydrated, this lather. Absolutely lovely. I'll just put a bit of alum on my fingers. There's do. Now, let's see if we can get this angle right. This is feeling a very mild shave. It's knocking it down though. Feels milder than say a 34C. Or D89. Yeah, I need to a little bit more towards the cap on the angle. Getting a good shave. Still stable, beautiful leather. SuperLather that I made. I used up the last of my Proraso White that I've had for donkey's years. It's probably 5-6 years old, but maybe even older. Happy to use it up. The beauty of having your own scent oils is, of course, you can make it as stronger as you like or weak as you like. Yeah, plenty of slickness in that soap, which is what you expect from a SuperLather. When I do SuperLathers, I like to mix a tallow soap with a vegetable cream or soap. That way it gets the best of both worlds. Or a glycerin soap. That works really well on my SuperLather. sorry, a bit on the chin, the normal under the jawline. Yep, on the cheeks is pretty good. Ah, wonderful shave. No nicks or butts. Feels a very safe razor, at least for me. Right, we're doing pickups now. Touch of alum on the fingers. Trouble with the chin there. Just a bit more down here. Wonderful. Wonderful slickness. You may wonder why I did a SuperLather. Oh. Bit of a weeper, I think. Because I don't rate WashPool soap higher than a serviceable soap. It'll do the job, creates good slickness, but it's not a high rated soap in my opinion. So I like to SuperLather it. This has been very mild. The shave. I don't remember it being that mild before. Maybe it's the blade combination. Wonderful shave. Plenty of residual there. I can feel the soap lift over on the skin. Alright, do a quick pat down. Alum check. Little bit on the throat area there, maybe a 1 out of 10. A few tingles around just below the mouth. Nothing more than a 1. Yeah, nothing more than a 1. Very light tingles. Alright, that's my shave. I'll now put this leftover goodness on my face, go and have my shower and come back for the post shave. See you shortly. Alright, all finished on the shower. Don't see any whimpers, no damage showing up. Oh, nice smooth shave. Wonderful. Alright, let's get into the post shave. Witch hazel with menthol crystals, tea tree oil and a little bit of peppermint. Ah, that's wonderful. No irritation feeling there. We follow that up with a bit of Natio for Men Calming Aftershave Balm. This has a citrus scent to it, a mild citrus. Lovely. And the final ingredient, we're going with something a little bit green. Green colour and green scent. Bit of Melissa vetiva. Ah, that's lovely. Some on the hair, extend the scent around. Oh, that's a lovely scent. Alright, that's my shave today. Thank you all for watching and catch you again on my next one. Cheers!